Is your air conditioner secretly making you sick and costing you a fortune? What if I told you the key to a cooler, healthier summer is hiding inside that humming box on your wall? You crank up the AC expecting icy relief, but get a weak, wheezing airflow and a strange, musty smell. You think it's broken, but the real culprit is just built-up grime. In the next few minutes, I'm going to show you the step-by-step process to deep clean your air conditioner like a pro. We'll get rid of the gunk that's choking your machine, and by the end of this, you'll be breathing cleaner air and saving money. The ultimate 5-step cleaning guide first, and most importantly, safety. Go to your circuit breaker and turn off the power to your AC unit. No exceptions. It's a critical first step. Now let's grab our simple tools: a screwdriver, a soft brush, a couple of spray bottles, and a vacuum cleaner. We'll start with the indoor unit. Gently unclip and open the front panel. Behind it, you'll find the filters. Slide them out. See this disgusting carpet of dust and gunk? This is what you've been breathing. Take the filters outside and use a vacuum with a brush attachment to suck up all that loose dust. For a deep clean, wash them with warm, soapy water. Use a soft brush to gently scrub away any stubborn grime. Rinse them thoroughly and set them aside to air dry completely. Never put them back in wet, as this will create a breeding ground for mold. With the filters out, you can see the evaporator coils, those delicate metal fins. They're probably caked in dust. Take a spray bottle with a mix of water and mild dish soap and lightly mist the coils. Let it sit for a minute. Now take your soft brush and gently brush the fins in a downward motion. Be extremely careful. These fins bend easily and that can ruin your AC's airflow. After brushing, you can lightly spray them with clean water to rinse. The condensate drain line will handle the runoff. Next up, the outdoor unit, the condenser. Clear away any leaves, grass, or debris from around the unit. It needs at least 2 feet of clear space to breathe. With the power still off, use a screwdriver to remove the top grill. Inside, you'll see the condenser coils. They'll be dirty. Use your vacuum's brush to get rid of the loose stuff. Then, grab a garden hose on a gentle setting and spray the coils from the inside out. This pushes all the dirt and grime away from the unit. A word of warning: never use a pressure washer, it will destroy the delicate fins. Uncovering a hidden danger. But what if you've cleaned everything and you still notice a strange, musty odor? You peer deeper into the indoor unit and you see it. Small, dark patches of mold growing on the blower wheel, the fan that circulates the air. This is the source of allergens and that nasty smell. A simple cleaning won't fix this. This is where our secret weapon comes in, a 50/50ths mix of white vinegar and water in a spray bottle. Vinegar is a natural, powerful disinfectant that kills mold and mildew safely. Thoroughly spray the blower wheel and the inside of the unit with the vinegar solution. Let it sit for about an hour to break down and kill the mold. Also find your condensate drain line, the small pipe that carries moisture outside. It can get clogged with sludge. If you have a wet, dry vac, use it to suck out any blockages from the end of the pipe. This prevents water from backing up and causing more mold. The filters are bone dry and back in place. The front panel is snapped shut. The outdoor unit is reassembled. You've let the vinegar work its magic. It's the moment of truth. You take a deep breath and flip the circuit breaker back on. You grab the remote, press the power button, and there it is. A strong, crisp, cold stream of air. The musty smell is completely gone. The AC is humming quietly and efficiently. You can feel the difference immediately. It's colder, cleaner, and better than it's been all season. Your reward: clean air and big savings. So let's recap. In just a few minutes, you've not only made your home more comfortable, but you've also improved your air quality and your AC's efficiency. A clean AC means breathing cleaner air, free from dust and mold, enjoying colder, more powerful cooling, saving money on your electricity bills, extending the life of your air conditioner. It's a simple task with a massive payoff.